I got Xbox SCUF controller, and as you can see guys, the condition for this controller. So the customer said he tried to send it to local shop and it's bugged like that. So I will try in this video to fix this controller. Hopefully it's fixable. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. If you have any video games stuff and need to repair them, just contact me. So let's start. Hopefully they don't damage any the ribbon cable for SCUF because it's not available. Alright, it look like the only issue is stick for both of sides. So technically I think is fixable. So let's start. So I have two screws, first one here and the second one on this side. So let's open them and check the board. Alright, just be careful because they have ribbon cables connect. Alright, as you can see guys, the first stick, it look like it's not fit and they have no stick here. So I will try to take this stick. I don't need to open any ribbon cable on the board and replace both of the stick. Hopefully it's working. They have 5 screws here. I already opened them because I need to take this board and open the last screws here to take this small piece. After that I can work on this board. So let's do it. Now I can work on this. I cleaned this area and I use the wick, and as you can see guys, it looks like perfect. Let's work on the second stick. Right, so let's install a brand new stick on this board. Both the stick is installed and everything should be perfect. I just need to return this ribbon cable joint and I will test the controller. The board is ready and let's return all the part back. And they have 2 missing motor. Maybe I will put or install 2 of them. It's look like the controller bug as a normal. As you can see guys, through the gamepad tester, the controller is working, but maybe the stick need to collaborate. So I will make another video for how to collaborate the Xbox controller. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.